do I trade a reversal? Rather, how can I know a reversal is about to take place? A beginner can ask you this, and you find traders or those who call themselves gurus telling the beginners like you can look for a shooting star on your key levels. And yes, you identify a shooting star on your resistance level from the higher time frames, and you're like, oh, I'm going to execute my sell orders, double my positions to 20 using a standard lot. Okay, because I know it's going to push to the downside simply because I was told whenever I see a shooting star, the market must push to the downside. Oh my goodness. Once you place those orders and you're like, I am going to make $10,000 right now and I'm gonna change my lifestyle right away. And when you close your eyes and opening again, your account is gone. Why? Simply because you cannot execute your orders without enough confirmation. Having a shooting star is not an enough confirmation that the market is going to push to the downside. Simply because you can find a shooting star just like this, okay? And this is your resistance zone over here, and you're like, I will execute my order. And you find that there is a big candlestick pattern which closes even above your shooting star candlestick right here. This signifies a really push to the upside. So guys, I'm here to make you understand how you can spot a reversal using another indicator. And I do say you cannot use indicators solely. You must have extra knowledge and the indicator. So in this video, I'm going to show you that extra knowledge that I have plus the indicator that will help us really find a very good reversal and you'll be confidently execute your orders. Okay, so guys, welcome you to Money Close the Forex Education YouTube channel. If you found my channel for the very first time, maybe it's your first time hearing my voice, I welcome you. Kindly join us by subscribing to this channel, clicking on that subscribe button, and definitely you'll be part of this amazing family, because I believe and honestly I know this is where you belong. If you're already part of this family, as you know, I salute you. Content today is all about a reversal, and someone can ask you, what is a reversal in forex trading? What is a reversal in stock? What is a reversal in cryptocurrency? A reversal simply means, let's say the market was buying and then it starts selling, or rather the market was selling and then it starts buying. That's what we call a reversal. So how do you identify this reversal? Number one, I do say you must be on your key levels, like the support and resistance levels from the higher time frames. It must be a strong support and resistance level, and I do say these support and resistance levels must go hand in hand with lower time frames. If in higher time frames we have a strong support, then on lower time frame must also be a strong support. That can really tell you that you can easily look for confirmation and execute your opposite orders. If you're buying, you can look for your selling opportunity. So guys, in this video I'm going to use this amazing indicator. It's actually amazing, and I will show you how to use this indicator so that you can know a reversal. But these indicators, I do say, they're not made by God, they're made by people like us, traders like us, who lose money the same way you lose money, and so we don't expect them to be 100% accurate. What we do is making the best of what they are, and so I'm going to show you how to use them correctly using various tools. So guys, we're going to use this free indicator found on Tradingview.com, and so you're just going to click on indicators tab right here. Once you click on indicators tab, you're going to type extreme trend reversal point by he who must not, then click on it. Once you click on it, and this is how it appears right on your chart. And I know most of you are pretty excited simply because they have seen, oh my goodness, here is an arrow that shows us we should look for selling opportunity, and indeed the market pushed to the downside. And can you cool down? This is not what we're gonna rely on. We have to learn more, simply because we cannot rely on these signals right here. There is confirmation we're gonna use. So guys, if you look closely, you'll find that this indicator has various colors. We have a green color right here, we do have a lime color right here, we have a silver color, and we have an orange color. Sometimes we find a red color too. So I want to tell you what these colors really mean. So we have a green color right here. It shows you that is an extreme bullish movement. So you can see when we have such kind of a green color, the market is really pushing to the end. True, there is momentum, big candlestick, so it signifies an extreme bullish. And so you find in this indicator too, you're just going to see a lime color. I know most of you knows a lime color. It also signifies a bullish movement. As you can see right here, we have a silver color. This signifies a ranging market, and when you can look closely, you'll find that where silver is, a market is really ranging. And so you can find an orange color, and so it signifies a bearish move, and you can see indeed the market is is really pushing to the downside. Sometimes you find in the indicator a red color, and a red color also signifies extreme bearish. So how do you identify a trend reversal using this indicator? According to the owner of this indicator, number one, after the signal, they say you can wait for this indicator to turn in silver color. And so they say, I'm saying what they say, you can place your pending orders, both buying and selling. I told you silver really signifies a ranging market. And so when you put your pending orders right here, when market breaks up, you'll be in profits, and when price breaks down, you'll be in profits too. And so number three, you look for other confirmations such as extremely bullish and bearish candles before placing your orders. Okay, so you can look at where the market really pushed to. So let's say the market is really pushing to the downside, you've seen big momentum candles, you can execute your orders. That's how they say you can use this indicator, but let me show you how you can use this indicator correctly to execute trades. Number one, according to me, I would tell you that look for your key zones. Okay, you must be on your support and resistance zones. So for instance right here, depending on this indicator to really turn into silver color, or rather to turn orange color for me to execute trades, you find that you are really missing opportunities, or rather you got into the market when it is too late. So what are you supposed to do? Identify your key zones. So I will identify my key zones real quick. So these are my key zones right here. As you can see, I've drawn them real quick, and so I will show you how to use this indicator to really execute trades. So this is 1 hour time frame, and this tends to be a very strong key zone right here. And so I have seen a signal from the indicator showing me that I should look for a selling opportunity. The indicator, as you can see right here, is still in green color. So it's telling me buyers are still in control, but they will lose control. And so as you can see guys, when they lost control, you had lost all these pips right here, over 100 pips. So what are you supposed to do? When I am on my resistance zone over here and can look for confirmation, first movement came up to this level over here, then we had a retest, and as you can look closely at this level over here, the market was unable to break to the upside. Instead, we got a very big bearish momentum candle which closed below. If the market was really pushing to the upside, it was being rejected, and so I could have executed my orders right here. Okay, simply because even when the market was pushing upwards, it was being rejected, and so I could have targeted this zone over here to be my take profit. Which strategy have I used so that I can get my entries? Number one, I have used a break of structure, and number two, I have used momentum, and that can simply tell me that I should execute trade simply because I am at my key levels, and so I got this signal right here, and so I should execute my trades right here. So this level over here, price was really closing below my key zone over here, which I've drawn. So when price closes below my zone I have drawn right here, that will simply tell me that the market has a probability of pushing to the downside. Okay, and so when price breaks this level over here, I'm executing my trades right away. And so guys, you can see we had this big momentum candlestick pattern pushing to the downside. Okay, and so I could have targeted this zone over here to be my take profits. Okay, when price gets to this level over here, I should look whether it was able to break above this level or this level, but it was unable, and so the market really pushed to the downside. Okay, so guys, again, this indicator will basically help you to not trade against the trend, simply because you can see it is in orange color, and so this signifies a really push to the downside, and so I should look for a selling opportunity, and it's really respecting this indicator. So guys, that's how you can use this indicator to really know a reversal, using momentum, maybe using the break of structure, so that you can know the next direction of the market. Right here we have another support zone over here, and indeed it is a strong support zone simply because it has been rejected several times, and right here when the price comes to this level, it is being rejected again. So this should be your key level. So what I can probably do, as you can see right here, it shows you that indeed the market is on downtrend. So to get better entries and good entries, I can look for a rejection at this level over here, and I can look for momentum. And you can see guys, indeed the market is really pushing, so you can target this zone over here to be your take profit. Okay, and as you can see guys, when price crosses above this moving average right here, or rather this indicator, and when it comes back back to the indicator, it is unable to cross below the indicator, and so it's being rejected, and then we have bullish candlestick patterns pushing to the upside. So guys, that's how you can use this indicator to really trade reversals. I hope you've learned something from this video. I wish you nothing but the best. Continue working hard, because I really know one day your hard work will pay you. Bye guys, see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like this video. Bye guys.